What's up, guys? I am recording.
Hey, guys.
What up, guys? So we are here at a new bridge. Never been here before. Never been here before. And
what is the name of the bridge?
It's the Suwanee Springs Bridge or something like that.
Oh, okay. But yeah, we finna do this bridge and just turn off the light for a minute. Just to show you how dark it is out here. Just turn the light off for a minute. That's how dark it is. You can't see nothing, but I hear nothing. See. Can't do.
Yep. Can't even hear Mike right now.
I don't blame him. It is scary with the light off.
It's dark out here, man. It's like no light. Yeah.
It's really dark.
So, come with us. And then we might give you a treat at the end. You know, me and Joe got this dance battle going on.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So it turns out that we both were breakdancing back in the day.
Right.
And I got to say, though, you got some moves. I can't deny it.
They both.
And see, we both old.
They both got some moves.
We both got bone problems.
I bet. I
Breakdancing. Oh, my hip just went out.
I bet they both watched. What is it? Break It.
Yeah, Break It and Beat Street and all
Beat
those.
Street, Break In, Electric Boogaloo. Yes.
Yeah.
Remember Turbo?
Yeah.
Turbo, and who was the other guy?
Guess what? I found out.
What's
Turbo is who taught Michael Jackson how to do the moonwalk.
Is that right?
Yes. Yeah.
And what was the other guy's name?
Ozone.
Ozone.
He passed away.
He passed away.
Yeah, Ozone did pass away. Yep. Get a little bit of history today, guys.
And I know what year. So, Beat Street came out in 1984.
Mm-hmm.
Breaking came out right after that. Beat Street started it all.
Right.
All right, guys. They're reminiscing and going back to the old times. So we're gonna have a little dance off at the end for y'all.
Maybe. Is it a waterfall over here or something?
No.
Do you hear it? Maybe it's farther down, so it sounds like a waterfall or something.
Got y'all like this right here. That one right there is just for Mike. Just for you, Mike. But you know, in all seriousness, if trees could only talk, I'm sure these would have a lot to say. And the lady at the place was telling us about the hangings. You just heard something.
Might go right through here. So you can go right here?
I'm good. Go ahead. You want to go?
I don't know, you go by yourself? No.
Oh, well. Yeah, I can't get down there. It's too steep to go down. It's too steep to get back up.
So yeah, it's just a kind of the first step's a doozy.
Yeah, that's what I was telling her.
Yeah, it
it'd be
looks
hard
steep.
for her to go down there, especially with a vertigo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuck and roll, Trina. Tuck and roll.
Yeah, I was just asking, did she want to take it?
Whoa.
A little bit back there. Would you guys like to do that?
I said, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. All right.
Sure, let's go on an adventure.
All right. Is there any danger back here for us? I think it said yes.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
Seems
I
like
heard a
it.
whistle.
Wait, hold on, Mike heard somebody whistle.
You just one time.
Are you dead?
Yeah. And it sounded like thinking back here.
Oh man. Okay. So Mike heard some whistling.
So this is on a scale of 1 to 10 creepiness. I think I'm at a 10 right now.
It
Just
does have a
because-
very bad vibe, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just feel very vulnerable. Like
I feel like there's
I felt
somebody watching us
Yeah.
or something watching us.
right.
That's what I feel. You feel
yeah,
that?
that's how I feel.
Yeah, it's not a good feeling
No, it's not.
at all.
I hope I caught that whistle on, but y'all didn't hear it though, right?
I didn't hear it.
In the chills, man.
Someone told me if you hear something that sounds like a woman screaming,
I didn't hear a woman scream. I just heard a.
okay. It's a cougar or a panther. We found a random path. They feel like going down it. I mean, are we crazy?
Come on, come between me. Go find me.
Huh?
Go in front of me, cause if something get us, I always get the person like that.
Are we crazy? People are just saying they ain't have no business going back there at night.
All right, people, this is what we do for you guys to try to get these views. And your entertainment is putting ourselves in danger.
No, this is what they do for y'all. And they're just pulling me along. We're out here in the middle of the night looking for the skunk ape. And I'm going to keep this on me because right now I'm a little paranoid. And we still got Mike back there. He says if something attacks us, it always takes the person in the back. I don't know how true that is.
It's true.
Oh, it is true?
Yeah.
I thought that only happened in movies.
Nah. Either it never messes with the person in the front or the middle, always the person back, because it starts from the back.
Well, let's make sure we continue to see that light in the back.
You know, it's just like a gazelle, you know, in the wild. They always look for the weakest link, and they think the weakest link is in the back.
And it
Slow
goes
down
off
a little.
this way.
Huh? Damn. Another path.
We don't want to go off the beaten path. Huh?
Well, we just did. We walked down this one.
Well, you know, this one goes straight up, so that one makes a turn. I was just thinking it goes down to the water.
Yeah. There
Probably.
are definitely alligators.
Yeah, that's
You know what I mean?
yeah, exactly. But
I don't want to run into any alligators.
you saying that to Mike, and he's walked on the banks of the Mayaca State River Park.
Oh man.
Have you seen those gators out there?
Oh no.
It's some huge gators out there, Joe.
I heard somebody whistle. Did you hear it? Was it like while you were talking, something like
Really?
that?
So now I'm the weakest link, huh?
All right, you hear that?
I do.
There's a big animal walking over here.
Come on.
buddy.
Let's start walking back.
What do you see, Mike?
No, I'm just saying, I'm just looking around the bend. Where?
I heard somebody whistle. Did you hear it? Was it like while you were talking, something like... You hear that?
I heard something. Whoa.
Big animal walking over here, buddy.
Let's start walking back.
What do you see, Mike?
I heard. I didn't see anything.
I heard a branch break.
Yeah, it sounded like a branch break.
Start walking
That's
back.
probably a large animal.
Well, I guess the good part, we haven't seen no feces, no bear poop or nothing, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Got a riddle for you guys. Let's see.
Some been digging right here. Probably a hog or a deer. Yeah. Some been digging there.
Yep.
Yeah, you heard? I heard it again too.
I'm gonna walk out of here. You know I'm definitely afraid of animals, but maybe for us. Yeah, okay. There's something. I'm gonna use whatever that animal is.
You heard it?
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know.
Normally people would walk a little quicker when they hear stuff. Not us. No. We gonna stop and listen.
It's gone. Whatever that was down there is gone, Joe. Oh, no. Wait, is that it? Oh, it's still there. Still there.
Maybe it's a paper cup or
Yeah, it
something.
could be
Yeah.
some trash or something.
Yeah, it's still there. All right, y'all, let's head back there.
It's like a female voice.
What it sounded like?
Female saying something.
I don't know. I heard a noise.
You just heard like, it sounded like a female.
So me and Drina didn't go up under the bridge because it was too steep for Drina to walk up under. But if you would like to see up under the bridge, you have to go to Joe's channel, because he did go up under there. And I wasn't going to go up under there to leave Drina up here by herself. Yeah. So if you would like to see up under the bridge, you got to go to Joe's channel to see that.
And that's at Joey CTV.
Yeah, it's kind of cool under there. It's just that first step, man. It's really
Right.
Drops down pretty
yeah,
low.
you could get hurt on this.
Yeah, you can see the drop. That's why. You don't want to take that chance of her going down there.
I don't see what light would be.
It was the light. See the light way up there?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just looked like it was close, like it was on the bridge from back there. Oh,
Fun though.
Pac-Man ghosts.
What?
Pac-Man ghosts.
Pac-Man ghosts.
Say cool.
I'm like, what? Do you see it? This was cool.
That's a good little drop, yo.
Creepy.
Down there's a sign or something that's reflecting back at us, but something
Yeah, some did just walk
crossed
past it.
in
Yeah.
front of it.
I'm hearing movement behind us. And I'm
I heard on the
really
side.
nervous. Me too.
I heard on the side
Yeah.
over here. All right, let's do this. Let's keep the lights on, cause at least we can see if we can see if some come towards us.
Right.
Yeah, because we have, ain't no telling what's out here in the woods. Is that the headlight that reflecting to the? Yeah, I think that's the car there.
Yeah. Guys, this was so much fun tonight. Even if we didn't pick up anything.
No, we did. We picked up that shadow that walked across that sign.
True. And I think I heard a woman's voice in the woods.
Yeah, I did.
I heard a whistle.
I heard the woman's voice.
But the thing about it ain't no telling what done happened out here. Rape, somebody shot, killed, anything could happen out here.
Right.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
As the other bridges, though. I wonder if they were hanging people from the bridge. We'll have to do some
Research on it.
research. Don't want to step in that hole by accident.
Oh wow.
I shined the light down there.
Oh, really?
It was right to the ground. It's kind of scary. All right, guys. This is our adventure tonight. I've made videos.
Come on.
I'm gonna put this on a list of crazy stuff that we've done. I don't know if this was more paranormal or more of. Let's see what we can run into in the dark in the woods. But it was creepy as heck. I almost cussed. It was creepy as heck. And I still feel like something is following us. The worst feeling of being vulnerable is with darkness all around you and you can't see anything. What you say, Mike?
Yeah, another big spider.
He's liking the spider webs. Come talk to him.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
I don't
man.
know if we caught any paranormal tonight.
It's just
but
the fact of being out here. It's
in the dark,
now
in the woods,
11:08 at night.
knowing that there's all kinds of wildlife around us, let alone possibly paranormal. So, and we are on the Suwanee River. It's a lot of history back here from years ago. So, yeah, we're gonna get our butts back to the car, guys. I want to just thank you guys for watching this video. I feel like we put our lives at risk tonight, and I don't understand how Joe came out here by himself at 2 o'clock in the morning.
I did.
Once upon a time.
I think I'm sending Joe to see a psychiatrist or something.
I might need one. I do. I honestly, walking through here, I'm like,
I will.
that's the first thought I said. It's even in the video. I'm like,
Any place you go to, I wonder what you be thinking.
I know.
But again, we made it out okay. So it was very creepy. I'm hoping that we caught something on camera. And if you guys, of course, heard anything that we didn't catch, please let us know in the description box. Thank you, Joe, for coming.
Thank you for inviting me, guys. This was awesome.
And Mike wants to say something to the people.
I don't know, man. Hey, y'all, I'm just playing. How y'all doing tonight? Thanks for once again for watching us. And y'all always send a shout out to Joe, my favorite man. My favorite. My favorite brother.
There you go.
Yeah, my new best brother. Anyway, we enjoy doing these videos for you guys. We did catch some things we think could have been paranormal. There's a sign down here that was blocked out a couple of times. It's blocked out now.
That was weird, right? Because when we were looking at that
could be
light down
because-
there, something passed it a
Right,
few times.
right.
Now, I don't know if the camera picked that up.
I
'cause it's so
tried
far
to
away.
zoom into it and it looked like it. That's weird.
Well,
That is
our
weird.
eyes are adjusting to from the light to the.
Well, it wasn't not down there. It was because it was
Well, I'm
black
talking about
dark.
right now.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but anyway, we enjoy doing these videos for you guys, and really it's just all about just being excited to do these videos, even though we put our lives in danger. It's fun though, exciting,
Black
adrenaline.
bears,
Yeah.
black bears,
It's
panthers.
everything.
There's all kinds of that.
You
We
know,
saw
cougars.
2
Snakes.
foxes on the way here.
Right. Yeah. So
Anyways, we're crazy. Oh,
it's exciting. It's adrenaline rush, man. You got to try it. Don't be scared. Get out and do it. Gotta do it.
That's true.
baby
True.
steps though, baby steps.
You know-
Start in the daytime.
One thing I learned since being around Joe, you got to be happy. You got to live life happily,
That's true.
and that's the main key, man.
And that's it. You gotta have fun in the videos.
Exactly.
Yep, that's
exactly. Yeah.
So with that being said, we're gonna break and we're gonna have a little dance off, guys.
All right.
All right, let's do this.
Joe do not want these problems. He don't.
Ladies and gentlemen, homeboys, homegirls, the New York City
stop with it.
Breaker.
All right. So I'll give you some. All right.
Oh, my bad. I know, right?
All right. There you go. It's gonna come through. Oh,
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, yeah,
oh, you want me to move too? No, you don't.
Passing the bar.
I like. All right. Okay. All right, that wasn't so great.
A for effort. All right.
Like one on that.
All right.
We better stop when we hurt ourselves. Oh, shoot. No one. I don't know.
No.
I got to stop when we hurt myself now.
I concede. You won.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I tried.
I got him on the rap battle, though. The rap battle,
Yeah. I let him beat me on the rap battle.
he did. Awesome, my man.
All right. Man, I love you, man.
Love you too. All right. Thank you for having me again, guys.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And we're
This is the
having
man.
fun. That's the
Yes.
main thing.
Main
Having
thing.
fun.
Yes.